Hello YouTube. I'm having a problem with my T-Max 2.5. This is what the engine sounds like when with no glow plug. Glow plug in.
I don't know what that sound is. I had a very metallic sound on my other engine, and it didn't sound right starting at all. And the part that I replaced to fix it was the roller clutch on the Easy Start. It's 5211R roller clutch. I have a 2.5 engine, and that completely solved the problem, and it starts up great. And in there now is another new roller clutch. I bought roller clutches for both my engines. But like replacing the roller clutch caused the noise instead of fixing one. The engine is spinning. I don't know if it's spinning the right speed. I'm planning on disassembling the engine. If you know something that I don't, something to look for, something to change, then please comment or message me. Or if you linked through this from the Traxxas message board, then you could comment on that also. I'll check both. And thanks for watching. I'm gonna play the sounds again from a different camera angle.